Hey, it's morning time, and I thought, why is a dog barking? No, I thought, let's key the vehicle for service. So the code number, yeah, C1C0. So oil filter change, top clearance has to be checked on inside that module, and engine oil change, and few other services and lubrications to be done. Okay, yeah, I'll be going right now to the showroom, wearing on my gears. So let's go. 5,070 kilometers on my Odo. I don't know, they said the showroom opens at 7. So, I've decided to wait in the showroom. They told 7 o'clock it will be opening. Came to the showroom. Look at the time, look at the bloody time, it's 7:30. Second set of people came. They're wondering what's happening, and this is my shoes. Left. So I'm alone here in front of the showroom, making no bloody sense.
Okay, so they have successfully taken the token. Mostly by evening it will get ready. So till then, the black.
Hello. Yeah, it's morning, and I'm going to collect my vehicle. They told it's ready for delivery, and as always, it has to start raining. So the vehicle is actually serviced from the Tirupati's showroom, and to be frank, they haven't even given a proper water wash. They done only oil change, little adjustments in places. Am I satisfied? No, I'm not satisfied, because if it's not washed and cleaned, what's the whole point of giving the vehicle? It's all dirty everywhere. Let me go for a ride and see how it is. Okay. Hey, welcome back to Sanjay Udaya channel, and so my second service is done, and I think in the starting of the video I had told about those things which affect the India's nature of the Royal Enfields. Now that the vehicle is back, not washed, and a lot of things not satisfactory, I have to say, even the Royal Enfield manual, they have stated to even service or maybe self-service your vehicle before you go for long rides. So you have to wash it, see all the parts are working, and check. So I'll be doing that before I go for a 150 kilometer drive, and that is what you should also do. While at the same time, when I'm cleaning the vehicle, right now I'm in Tirupati. So the issue which I faced was, while I was getting the vehicle service, it took almost 2 days to service for oil change, oil filter, and top tappet clearance. And I hope they have done that. Pretty much, I cannot feel the difference, but I feel they have done the difference. And with that being said, I was very disappointed because when you go to a service center, you get your vehicle cleaned first, washed, and then they look into all the services. Now, with that being done, and they're handing it over all the grease marks, fingerprints, and everything, it is really not a good experience. And I would suggest to even Royal Enfield and other brands, even for Bajaj too, that when you buy a premium vehicle, like if you buy a Dominar or if you buy an Interceptor, which is expensive, there should be a proper setup for those vehicles as a service unit, and a little bit premiumness maybe, because it feels like any other bike being serviced. This is not to bring a negative aspect towards Royal Enfield, but if you see, the customers themselves are like that. I was noticing that the customers who were coming were actually thinking about a quick service and walk out. They don't want to wait, and they have not bothered much about how pristine quality the service is. I feel they are only seeing how to get the vehicle up and ready quickly, and Royal Enfield showrooms are doing those things. For me personally, I want them to be done really good, because they are the technicians we are sending it to, the professionals we are sending it to, and expecting a good result. But if the service center is not being up to the mark, obviously the experience falls down for buying a premium or slightly premium vehicle. Now, saying that, I have no ill intentions on any of the parties. This is my feedback. Keeping in mind that I hope these improvements can be provided. Hope Royal Enfield is looking into this. And for now, the vehicle is running fine, no problems. Oil change is properly done. It's 1 year old, and it's a second free service review. All positive feedbacks on the vehicle. I'm enjoying it.
First dose. Acho, what did I even put? I don't know. This is no joke. This is a serious thing. Vaccination. We are heading home. Symptoms will shoot up after some time. Bye bye. Hello, Parabachilok. I have taken Covax. What have I taken, man?
Covaxin.
You taking Covaxin? Okay. Hi.
Not me, I look like
Okay. Second vaccine done. Second dose done. Still alive. So I'll be going to collect my vehicle now. Tired. That is a bad idea, but okay.
very bad.
Very bad. Turn around. Oh God. Because I am here for the Sanjay Vidya channels. Sanjay Vidya channels. Any comments?